Hello everyone, so for this video I'm going to show you how to add integers with a visual model. So if you look right here, I have two different colored circles. The first circle, which is red, is going to represent ones, and the yellow circle is going to represent negative ones. So every time we do an integer problem, all you have to do is use the circles to visually show what's going on with the mathematics. And you can do this with anything. You can do this with bunnies and trolls. You can do this with triangles, just as long as you keep it organized. And you're going to see the bunnies and trolls in the above notes section. So you could choose this video instead if you want to have another way to look at it. So let's do a quick problem. So I'm going to do, let's say I want to do -3 plus +4. So we're now going to be adding integers, and we need to visually model this. So I'm going to model it with these two circles right here. So first I just need to copy my circles the amount of times I see the amount of integers. So in this case, I see I have -3, so I'm going to need 3 of my yellow circles. So I'm going to copy, I'm going to paste them. I'm just doing it randomly, and then I need to have 4 positive red circles because I have 4 positive integers. So I'm going to copy, and I'm going to paste 4 of them. Okay, so now I'm going to move them up under my number so you can see exactly what's happening. So I first have to click on my, okay, so here, I'm going to do it a different way. So I'm going to pull up my 3 yellow circles under my 3. And then I'm going to pull up my 4 positive circles under my 4. So now basically all you need to do once you do this is you just have to remember that every one positive one will cancel every one negative one. So every single time you see 1 red circle and 1 yellow circle, you can just cross them out. So if I cross them out, I'm going to cross out this yellow circle and this red circle. I'm going to cross out these two, and I'm going to cross out these two. And what I'm left with will be my answer for my integer problem. So if I say equals -3 plus 4, that means I have 1 red circle. So I know 1 red circle equals 1. So I know my answer will be a +1. So that's how you do with a visual model. I will show you another example in just a minute. So let's say instead I did -4 plus a -3. So in this case, I'm now adding 2 different numbers who are both negative. So now again, I just do the same thing. I have only a yellow circle that represents negative, so I'm going to copy it 4 times to the 4, and I'm going to copy 3 of the yellow circles for the -3. So if I do that, I'm going to click it, I'm going to copy, and I'm going to paste them here. So I'm going to paste, I'm going to paste, I'm going to paste, and now I'm going to have 4 of them because I know I have 4 right here. 4, so 4 negative ones makes -4. I'm going to add them here. I might name it the best. Okay, now I know I have to have -3 of them, and remember I'm adding them. So I'm going to copy and paste again, paste and paste. Now this one's different because I don't have opposite colors of circles, so they do not cancel out. So all I need to do is I need to add the amount of circles that I have that are yellow. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I know I should have the number 7 once I count. So, but you got to remember, I have 2 negatives, and I know the yellow circle represents a negative number, so I have to make sure this is a -7. And that is how you use a visual model to add integers together. So I hope that helped you.